Good day, I'm Kenneth B. Sidilio from BPED 2D. Now I'm going to answer the activity 1 in MP 7. So first question. Explain the concept of relative timing. How might practitioner use this concept to determine differences between classes of movement? How might the relative timing structure of dart throwing differ from that of putting the shot? Hint. Think of difference in terms of the relative speeds of the wrist, lower arm, and upper arm in the two movement. So my answer is, the concept of relative timing refers to the ordinal relationship between events of body movement. It is essential. Although often overlooked aspect of perception, practitioners use this concept to determine different classes of movement by comparing the time that is used in different activities. Dart throwing has a big difference from putting a shot. The wrist in dart throwing is slightly bent, while on the other is just steady. Question number 2. What do movement scientists mean when they say that relative timing is an invariant feature of the generalized motor program? What implication does this have for performers who practice their movement at different speeds? Dancers, jugglers, rhythmic gymnastic, drummers. So, my answer is, relative timing is an invariant movement, means there is consistency with the movement where the pattern, sequence, and order are shown. Relative timing implies a lot of things in this type of activities because those are the activities that needed a lot of timing, orderliness, and sequence in the different types of kind of step. Question number 3. Under what conditions are a performer's movement more spatially accurate as the person decreases his or her movement time? What implication might this have for an elementary physical education instructor who is teaching children how to throw or kick a ball toward a target? So I think the performer's action is at a fast pace. So as a result, an action for relative timing can be thought of as a kind of identical to all or every act in a movement class, wherein it enables people to keep the shape of their gesture when they alter some of a variety or different superficial feature. So question number 4. Explain how an error in a lower level central nervous system process might cause a player throwing darts to miss the target area she is aiming for. So for me, looking at the process that convert the motor program production into body movement in the central nervous system, we've already established or noticed that motor program are in charge of deciding the order in which muscle contract and the amount of force produced to each muscle. So that's all. Thank you.